Hi everyone, my name is Kavya. I'm a second year common law student here at the University of Glasgow. So, today let's talk about unveiling the global saga of online gambling. So, to get to the very core of this topic, it's important for us to understand what gambling is as a topic, right? So, what is gambling? We all know about it. Gambling is basically taking part in any game or activity in which you risk money or a valuable financial consideration with the objective of winning money, and the agenda is to always win more than how much you've initially put in, right? So, right from historical antecedents to contemporary challenges, the legal landscape plays a pivotal role in shaping the industry's future. And by scrutinizing existing literature, conducting comparative analysis, case studies, etc., my research aims to provide valuable insights into the ever evolving trends and addresses the complexities and nuances in this industry. So, the practice of betting and gambling has been existing for a very long time, like more than what we could possibly think of. It starts sometime in the ancient days when people would wager on material possessions, etc. In 776 BC, when the first Olympic Games were introduced, it led to the transformative shift towards betting on outcomes like races and gladiatorial battles. In 3rd century BC, in Rome, the concept of lex aleatoria was introduced, which was basically a regulation that overlooked on gladiatorial battle outcomes, but in a way prohibited gambling. And then in 18th century, there was a rise in bookmaking. In 1850, the first betting shop was established in London. In 1961, when UK legalized betting, it led to a transformative moment and a proliferation of betting houses. It led to the establishment of Littlewoods, which accepted bets by email, and the creation of the William Hill, which we all know went on to become one of the biggest betting giants in the world. In 1996, Intertops pioneered with online betting. In 2001, this industry was valued at approximately $2 billion. In 2002, the concept of live betting was introduced. And right now, the global online sports betting market is projected to value at $150 billion by the end of 2024, with an intervention of AI and VR, which we will be discussing today. So today we'll be focusing on United Kingdom because here's where we live. So the UK was a comprehensive regulatory framework, and it is overseen by the UKGC, the UK Gambling Commission. So all online activities and all sort of gambling activities fall within its purview. So in order to operate legally, operators and businesses must have a license which they've obtained from the UKGC. And the emphasis is on player protection, fair play, and responsible gambling. The minimum legal age in the UK for gambling is 18, with strict age verification process during user registration. So let's talk about money. Who doesn't like money? So this industry has actually contributed a lot to the economy and has undergone significant growth over the past decade, which is marked by technological advancements, innovations, etc. And this has led to profound economic effects in various sectors. So let's start by discussing revenue generation. So this industry has contributed to revenue generation by means of tax revenue and licensing fees in regulated jurisdictions. For instance, in Canada, substantial tax collection of $1.2 billion was seen in the year 2021 through online casinos. Indirect prospects are also raised by advertising, and I'm sure all of us at some point would have at least seen a random gambling or a poker ad pop up on our screen. So prospects are raised through advertising. Moving further, the industry is projected to experience substantial growth with an annual growth rate of 11.7% from the year 2023 to 2030. And this industry is projected to value at $131.9 billion by the year 2027. Influencers, corporate sponsorships, and expansion to new jurisdictions are the key drivers of this effect. However, challenges include regulatory changes, expensive licensing costs, and stricter rules for responsible gambling practices. While fintech solutions may be advantageous, regulatory restrictions tend to increasing the costs. So it isn't surprising to say that AI has pretty much taken over literally every industry, and it has also made its way to the gambling industry. So the integration of AI and VR in the online casino industry is marked by significant growth, and it signifies a transformative shift in user experiences, security measures, and game fairness. AI algorithms are revolutionizing player engagement by tailoring game recommendations and incentives based on person to person, which increases retention and satisfaction. So first we'll discuss security. When it comes to security, AI-driven measures detect and prevent fraudulent activities, which ensures a secure environment for users. And AI-driven measures are able to detect the fraudulent activities and by identifying suspicious behavior, which creates a secure betting environment. Moving on to user experiences, the realm of AI extends to customer service, where there are 24/7 chatbots available, which provide immediate and efficient support to the users, which reduces wait time and increases customer satisfaction. Talking about game fairness, AI supplements random number generator, which provides an equal chance of winning for all the players. And this, in a way, fosters that trust in the platform and in the system in general. Looking towards the future, it isn't surprising to say that the incorporation of VR and AI does promise to enhance user experiences. VR and augmented reality powered by AI are set to transform online casinos by offering real lifelike gaming experiences. So it isn't surprising to say that the current state of esports wagering is thriving and is characterized by explosive growth and a diverse audience demographic. Popular games like League of Legends and Dota 2 draw substantial betting activity during their major tournaments. The accessibility of esports with easy online streaming appeals to a global audience, particularly the younger demographics, which fosters an engaged community of bettors. However, the youth of esports industry requires vigilant monitoring for issues like match fixing and other integrity concerns. As esports wagering continues to evolve, addressing regulatory challenges and ensuring fair play will be crucial for its sustained growth. So what next? What is something that we could look forward to in the near future? So the integration of emerging technologies such as AI and VR is poised to redefine user experiences in the betting and gambling industry. AI algorithms will continue to personalize game recommendations, enhance security measures, and optimize game fairness. VR and augmented reality combined with AI is expected to provide immersive and lifelike gaming experiences, which creates new dimensions for online casinos. The shift towards mobile and online betting is expected to persist with an increasing reliance on smartphones and digital platforms. Mobile applications and online platforms will continue to be major drivers of growth, which offers convenience and accessibility to a broader range of audience across the globe, which will lead to people engaging in real-time wagers. The industry is likely to witness innovations in mobile betting application, which makes it easier for users across the globe and at their convenience. So talking about regulations, which is really, really important, regulatory frameworks will play a pivotal role in shaping the industry's future. Countries and regions may continue to refine and shape and adapt their legal frameworks in a way that it caters to the ever-evolving needs of the community and to ensure responsible gambling practices and also harness the economic benefits that come along with it. International cooperation and standardization efforts may also influence the harmonization of regulations across the border. So to sum up, the industry does stand at a crossroad of possibilities and challenges. As VR and AI redefine user experiences, responsible gambling measures must be reinforced. The dominance of mobile and online platforms is set to persist, and regulatory frameworks will play a pivotal role in shaping the industry's future. However, a critical aspect lies in the industry's commitment to inclusive and ethical growth, which ensures a good balance between innovation and consumer protection at the same time. See, gambling as a concept, as we saw today, has been there around for a very long time. But what has changed is the way people do it and the way that AI has played a major role in transforming the industry from what it was to what it is now. So as stakeholders navigate on this dynamic terrain, the conclusion emerges that sustained growth lies in a harmonious blend of technological advancements, responsible governance, and a commitment to overall user well-being. Thank you so much for taking out the time to listen to me today. I would like to extend my gratitude to my mentor, Ms. Maggie, my parents, my friends who are in the audience, and definitely the organizing team of Let's Talk About X 2024. Thank you.